Hey guys, and welcome to another installment of Coffee Machine Depot USA. Today we're going to be reviewing the Azkoyen Vitale S. And what a super automatic machine this is. It's so easy to use, it's so versatile, and I can't believe at the coffee based drinks, the espresso based drinks that it makes. We've been loving using it in our warehouse here. The boys love using it as well. It's a really versatile machine. It actually is great for offices, especially hospitals, car dealerships, if you have a hotel, anything along that sector, even restaurants as well. Really easy to use. It's got a 7-stage or 7 recipes on top that you can choose from. They're all espresso based. I can go through them. So we have espresso, which is a short espresso. We have our black coffee, which is a long coffee. It's actually more of an Americano. We have a mocha, Café Latte, Cappuccino, a latte macchiato, which is a bit of a combination of the Café Latte and the Cappuccino together. And of course we've got the hot chocolate as well, which is one of my personal favorites too. So in reviewing this machine, we're going to go through, we're going to show you how easy it is to use. It's so versatile as well. You know, most people in a commercial environment like an office, they want a great coffee machine, but there's nothing really out there on the market that is either inexpensive or easy to operate and reliable. These guys here at Azkoyen, they've been doing it for years. In the vending sector, they are the #1 in the vending sector, and they've been #1 for years. They make reliable machines that are easy to use, easy to service, easy to clean. Now we know with super automatic machines, they do have a tendency with their milk to completely either dry up, the milk goes old, you have to clean them out every single day, and it can become a bit of a nightmare. With this particular machine here, it has 3 hoppers. We have the coffee hopper here. It's 38 ounces. It's good for 140 drinks. We've got our hot chocolate module, and then we have our powdered milk. Now, being powdered milk, we're not going to have all those problems that are associated with fresh milk. So I think it's a great idea for an office because it makes a great drink, and I'm going to show you now some of the drinks that it does make, and I hope that you enjoy looking at these drinks and want to drink one yourself. Okay, so espresso, very simple. Push the button. It's grinding the coffee now. There's actually 8 different amounts of coffee you can put in there, and there's also a really easy adjustable coffee grinder. So if you want it more fine, you turn it right. If you want it more coarse, you turn it left. This is our Milano coffee coming out now. As you can see, the crema on that is absolutely beautiful. For a one-touch button, for a super automatic, I absolutely love that. You can see the crema coming out now, which is just, it's a great espresso drink. So if I just hold that glass up there, you'll see the cascade of that espresso there coming out. So that's going to be your base on all of your drinks. So your next drink most people will have a look at will be the Café Latte. It's got this little shelf here as well, so we'll pop that up because we're no longer using the short glass. We've dialed this in for our 8 to 10 ounce glasses. You can obviously change that as well. It's got a really easy TFT screen and user interface. So if I go across to here and I'm going to push the Café Latte, Café Latte is a little bit different to the way they make the cappuccino on this drink here. So first things first, you'll see that the coffee comes out first and then the milk comes out last. It actually gives it a really nice foamy consistency that we like to see with Café Lattes. Once again, that beautiful espresso is coming out. If you're looking for a good coffee in your office, but you don't want to spend $15,000, $20,000 on some of those super automatics, this is the one for you. This particular machine is only $3,200. So as I mentioned earlier in the video, it is a powdered milk based latte, but it's actually, if you actually have a look at that, it's a beautiful micro foam there. I certainly know that a lot of people would be very happy with this. I've seen many vending machines, and as a matter of fact, I tend to steer clear of them. Especially, I was just at a car dealership last week and they said, would you like a coffee? I walked up to the machine and I noticed it wasn't using fresh bean to cup. It was using powdered coffee, and that's probably the biggest no-no. What happens with powdered coffee is it's stale, it's old, it tastes terrible, and it's very watery as well. This is giving you that beautiful espresso base drink that you need to start, and then of course you've got your powdered milk here as well. So that's our latte. I'll move it across and we're going to do a hot chocolate now. Hot chocolate's a popular drink, especially in the colder climates. Kids love it as well. So it mixes the chocolate and the milk at the same time. And actually, as I said, it's one of my favourite drinks here as well. I do enjoy those hot chocolates. We're using the Ghirardelli hot chocolate, which is 4 vending machines in that, and that works really well. Now, some people have said to me when they've looked at this machine, they've said, Aaron, we really like the machine, but to be honest, we're not going to drink powdered milk. So, you know, we're probably going to give that a miss. And I've turned around and said to them, well, there's actually another system that's available that's once again cheap, and it gives you the opportunity to make a cafe latte or a cappuccino with either normal milk, 2% milk, you can use oat milk, you can use almond milk, and it's quite simply this WPM milk steamer. We sell a lot of these milk steamers. They're really popular, especially for people that don't have steam wands or don't have an espresso machine, a full espresso machine with steam wands. So you could simply make your espresso drink. You could put your almond milk in here, you could put your normal milk in here, pop that underneath, push the button. This has different temperatures. It has a thermostat at the end of it, so you are able to steam the milk. It's very similar to an espresso machine. And then all you would need to do would be, after your espresso is in the cup and your milk steamed, you would just need to pour that off. And I can tell you, 99% of the people out there drinking that drink would not know that was made on a super automatic machine and a little milk steamer. These milk steamers as well, they're cheap. I think they go for about $7.95. We're the distributor here in the United States for them as well. So if you're looking for a cheap, convenient, easy to clean package, also a package that is simple, 120 volt, just plug it straight into the wall, they're 15 amps. I don't think you could go past $3,200 and $7.95, or if you don't want the milk steamer and you just want to pop that in the office, it's got a very small footprint as well, which is a massive advantage. You could have, depending on how big your office is, you could have 2 or 3 of these guys set up, and I can assure you that your staff and also your clients and your customers that come in are really going to enjoy their cafe latte, their hot chocolates and their espressos, or even their Americanos as well. So if you're considering getting a super automatic machine for your office or business, give us a call at Coffee Machine Depot, look us up, we're here to help. We'd love to assist you with that purchase. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you at our next installment.